What if an entire planet had no land anywhere? What would happen if you stood on a planet and looked toward the horizon, only to see water in every direction? No beaches, no mountains, no continents, no islands, just an endless ocean stretching across an entire world. It sounds like science fiction, but astronomers now believe such planets may actually exist. They are known as ocean worlds, planets where water may dominate nearly the entire surface. For centuries, Earth was the only example we had of a habitable world. But as scientists began discovering planets beyond our solar system, they realized that nature can build worlds in ways we never imagined. Some planets are covered by ice, some are scorched by extreme heat, some are giant balls of gas, and some may be something entirely different, entire worlds covered by oceans. Recent observations have identified several exoplanets that could contain enormous amounts of water. In some cases, scientists believe these planets may possess far more water than Earth itself. These worlds are located far beyond our solar system, orbiting distant stars hundreds of light years away. We cannot visit them. We cannot photograph their surfaces directly. Yet the data collected by modern telescopes suggests that some of these planets may be unlike anything found in our cosmic neighborhood. If these worlds truly exist, they could change how we think about planets, oceans, and even life itself. But before we can understand what an ocean world might look like, we first need to understand how astronomers discovered them in the first place. Discovering an ocean world is not as simple as taking a photograph. In fact, astronomers usually cannot see these planets directly at all. Instead, they study the subtle clues left behind as planets orbit their stars. Missions such as TESS have helped identify thousands of exoplanets by monitoring tiny changes in starlight. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a small amount of light. From those measurements, scientists can estimate the planet's size, orbit, and sometimes even hints about its composition. This information becomes even more valuable when combined with observations from other telescopes. By comparing a planet's size and mass, researchers can estimate its density, and density can reveal remarkable things. Some planets appear too light to be made mostly of rock. Others appear too dense to be gas giants. Between those extremes, astronomers have found candidates that may contain enormous quantities of water. Not lakes, not seas, planetary-scale oceans. In some cases, scientists estimate that water could represent a significant portion of the planet's total mass, far more than anything found on Earth. These discoveries remain under investigation, but they have opened an entirely new category of planets, worlds where water may not simply exist, worlds where water may dominate everything. And if these planets truly possess global oceans, an even bigger question emerges. How deep could those oceans actually be? Earth's deepest known point is the Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean. It reaches nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. The pressure there is so extreme that few vehicles have ever reached the bottom. Now imagine an ocean not 11 kilometers deep, but 100 or 200 or even more. Some theoretical ocean worlds may possess oceans vastly deeper than anything found on Earth. The scale becomes difficult to imagine. If such oceans exist, sunlight would only penetrate a tiny fraction of their depth. Below that region, darkness would dominate. The deeper you travel, the greater the pressure becomes. Eventually, conditions may become so extreme that water behaves in unusual ways. Scientists believe some ocean worlds could contain exotic forms of high-pressure ice buried beneath their oceans. Not frozen surfaces like Antarctica, but layers of compressed ice existing beneath liquid water due to immense pressure. This creates a strange planetary structure. An ocean above, a layer of exotic ice below, and potentially a rocky interior even deeper still. These environments are unlike anything humans have ever experienced, yet they may be common throughout the galaxy. And despite their alien nature, these worlds remain incredibly interesting for one important reason. Where there is water, there is always the possibility of life. Whenever astronomers discover a world rich in water, one question immediately follows. Could something be alive there? Water is one of the most important ingredients associated with life on Earth. Every known ecosystem depends on it. That does not mean every ocean world is habitable. Many may be hostile environments. Some could orbit active stars that bombard them with radiation. Others may possess atmospheres unsuitable for life. Some may be too hot, others too cold. Yet the presence of large amounts of liquid water makes these planets scientifically fascinating. Even within our own solar system, scientists are interested in ocean environments. Moons, such as Europa and Enceladus, contain vast subsurface oceans hidden beneath ice. These worlds are considered some of the most promising places to search for microbial life. Ocean worlds around distant stars expand that idea to an entirely new scale. Instead of hidden oceans beneath ice, some exoplanets may possess oceans covering the entire surface. If life can emerge wherever water exists under suitable conditions, then ocean worlds become important targets in the search for life beyond Earth. The challenge is that these planets remain incredibly distant. For now, scientists can only study them indirectly. But every year, our instruments become more powerful. And every new observation brings us closer to understanding whether these strange worlds are lifeless oceans or something far more extraordinary. When people imagine another Earth, they often picture a world that looks familiar. Blue oceans, green continents, white clouds, a recognizable landscape. But the universe may not work that way. Another habitable planet might not resemble Earth at all. An ocean world could have no continents, no mountain ranges, no deserts, no forests. Yet it could still be one of the most promising environments for life. This possibility forces scientists to rethink old assumptions. Perhaps Earth is not the template for every habitable world. Perhaps there are many different paths toward habitability. Some worlds may be dominated by oceans, others by ice, others by environments we have not yet imagined. The more planets astronomers discover, the more diverse the universe appears to be. Instead of finding copies of Earth, we are finding entirely new categories of worlds, and each discovery reveals how limited our understanding once was. Ocean worlds may represent one of the most important examples of this shift, because they challenge a simple idea many people take for granted, the idea that a habitable planet must look like Earth. The universe may be far more creative than that, and some of its most remarkable worlds may be covered by water from horizon to horizon. Somewhere among the countless stars of our galaxy, there may be planets unlike anything humanity has ever seen. Worlds where oceans stretch endlessly across the surface. Worlds without beaches, without continents, without land of any kind. Entire planets shaped by water. Today, these worlds remain distant mysteries. Scientists continue studying them using powerful telescopes and increasingly sophisticated observations. Every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle. How common are ocean worlds? How deep are their oceans? Could life exist there? And if it does, what might it look like? The answers remain hidden among the stars. But one thing is becoming clear. The universe is far stranger than we once imagined. Earth may be extraordinary, yet it may be only one example among countless different types of worlds scattered throughout the galaxy. Some frozen, some burning, some covered entirely by oceans. And somewhere out there, one of those worlds may be waiting to completely change our understanding of life and planetary evolution. If you enjoyed this journey through the mystery of ocean worlds, explore the other discoveries waiting on this channel, from hidden planets and distant moons, to NASA missions, exoplanets, alien oceans, and the search for another Earth. Because every new world we discover tells a new story, and the universe still holds many secrets waiting to be explored.